Analog and Digital Circuit. Lecture number 1 on Introduction to Op-Amp. First of all, objectives that we learn in this presentation: to know the basics of amplifier, to know the Op-Amp pin combination, to know the applications of operational amplifier, to know the elements of block diagram of operational amplifier. First of all, contents: what is amplifier, what is operational amplifier, block diagram of operational amplifier, applications of operational amplifier. Let's see one by one. First of all, what is amplifier? An amplifier is an electronic device that increases the voltage, current or power of a signal. This is an electronic device which amplifies the sound. Okay, by using this electronic device we can amplify the input sound. Okay, हे जे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस आहे या डिवाइसद्वारे आपण काय करू शकतो, जे काय आपण इनपुट साऊंड या डिवाइसला देणार आहोत ती डिवाइस काय करणार, तुम्हाला आउटपुटमध्ये लार्ज साऊंड इफिशियन्सी कन्वर्ट करून देणार. ओके. Second figure shows that the graphical representation of amplification process. In this x-axis shows that time t and y-axis shows that the voltage V. Okay. In this diagram we can see that the blue graph shows the input signal and red graph shows that the output signal. Okay. By using this we can conclude that the input signal is low efficiency and output signal having high efficiency. Okay. Then tell me, what is meant by amplifier? An amplifier is an electronic device that increases the voltage, current or power of a signal. Okay, right. Then next, op-amp. Op-amp is basically multi-stage amplifier which uses a number of amplifier stages interconnected to each other in a complicated manner. By using operational amplifier we can perform number of operations like arithmetic operation, in that addition, subtraction, differentiation, integration. Okay. By using operational amplifier we can perform number of operations. Okay. Then operational amplifier pin combination. In this figure shows that there are total 8 pins used in operational amplifier. In operational amplifier there is IC used, that is 741 operational amplifier IC. In this figures we see that pin number 1 is offset null pin, pin number 2 is inverting input terminal, pin number 3 is non-inverting input terminal, pin number 4 is power supply pin, pin number 5 is offset null pin, pin number 6 is output voltage pin, pin number 7 is positive VCC supply, pin number 8 is not connected. Okay. In this way we can see that there are 2 input pins which are, tell me how many input pins and which are input pins. Okay, right. Pin number 2 and pin number 3 is input pins, pin number 2 is inverting pin, pin number 3 is non-inverting pin. Okay. Then tell me which one is output pin. Okay, right. Pin number 6 is output pin. Okay, right. Then there are 2 power supply pins, pin number 7 positive power supply pin and pin number 4 is negative power supply pin. Okay, right. Then next, operational amplifier terminals. In this diagram we see that there are 2 input pins. Okay, first one is positive terminal and second one is negative terminal. Positive terminal is called as non-inverting terminal and negative terminal is called as inverting terminal. Okay, there are two inputs and one single output, that is V out. Okay, and then 2 power supply pins, Vs plus and Vs minus. These are 2 power supply pins. Okay, V plus is non-inverting input, V minus is inverting input, V out is output, Vs plus is positive power supply, Vs minus is negative power supply. Then tell me, what are 2 inputs in operational amplifier? Okay, right. There are 2 inputs, that is non-inverting input and inverting input. Okay. Then we have one short video on operational amplifier terminals and functions of operational amplifier. Let's see that. amplifier. Operational amplifier which uses number of fields in that there is communication field, in the medical electronics field, and instrumentation and control field. Okay. The operational amplifier which uses the op-amp IC 71741. In this IC there are total 8 pins are connected. Okay. In the operational amplifier IC 741 there are 2 inputs pin and 1 output pin. Okay. In the terminal there are 2 inputs and 1 single output. In the operational amplifier IC 741 which having 20 transistors, 11 resistors and 1 capacitor present. Okay. In the operational amplifier which having 2 inputs, positive input and negative inputs. Okay. These are 2 differential inputs which are connected to the input of operational amplifier and 1 single output. Then block diagram of operational amplifier. In this block diagram we see that there are 4 stages. First stage is input stage, second stage is intermediate stage, third stage is level shifter stage, fourth stage is output stage. Okay. In the input stage there are 2 inputs connected to the first stage, non-inverting input and inverting input. Okay. In the input stage which having dual input and single ended output. Okay. Then next is intermediate stage. Intermediate stage is nothing but the differential amplifier. Okay. By using intermediate stage we can amplify the input signal. Okay. Then next is level shifter stage. Due to the direct coupling between the first 2 stages, level shifting stage which shift the first input and second input to the 0 DC level value. Okay. Then next stage is output stage. In the output stage the amplification process is actually done. In the output stage there is a voltage and current of a input signal is increased, that means amplified by using the operational amplifier. Okay. In this way there are 4 stages present in the block diagram of operational amplifier: input stage, intermediate stage, level shifter stage and output stage. Okay. Then tell me what are 4 stages present in the block diagram of operational amplifier? Input stage, intermediate stage, level shifter stage and output stage. Okay, right. Operational amplifier configuration. There are 2 operational amplifier configuration: open loop and closed loop. Okay, first of all we see that open loop configuration. What is meant by open loop configuration? Open loop operation is that there is absolutely no feedback present on the output. Okay, in this figure we see that there are 2 inputs present in the open loop configuration, that is non-inverting input and inverting input and single output. Open loop is nothing but there is no feedback present from the output, that means VO is not connected to the any input of a operational amplifier. Okay, that means no part of output get connected to the input. म्हणजेच काय म्हणायचं आपल्याला की जे काय तुमच्या ऑपरेशन ॲम्प्लिफायरचं आउटपुट असेल त्या आउटपुटचं तुमच्या इनपुटशी कोणताही संबंध असणार नाही, म्हणजे फीडबॅक कोणताही प्रेझेंट असणार नाही. ओके. देन टेल मी व्हॉट इज मीन बाय ओपन लूप. Open loop operation is that there is absolutely no feedback present on the output. Right. Then next, closed loop. In closed loop some kind of feedback is introduced in circuit. म्हणजेच काय, तुमच्या क्लोज लूप कॉन्फिगरेशन मध्ये तुमच्या आउटपुट आणि इनपुट त्यामध्ये काय असेल, फीडबॅक प्रेझेंट असेल, त्यालाच काय म्हणायचं आपल्याला, क्लोज लूप कॉन्फिगरेशन. देर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ feedback present in the closed loop. First one is positive feedback and second one is negative feedback. Okay. अशा प्रकारे याचे 2 प्रकार पडतात, पॉझिटिव्ह फीडबॅक आणि निगेटिव्ह फीडबॅक. पॉझिटिव्ह फीडबॅक म्हणजेच काय, तुमचे जे काय आउटपुट असेल आणि इनपुट असेल ते कसे असतील, इन सेम फेज असतील. ओके. इन पॉझिटिव्ह फीडबॅक देर इज आउटपुट अँड इनपुट आर इन सेम फेज. ओके. आणि निगेटिव्ह फीडबॅकमध्ये कसं असेल तुमचं, इन निगेटिव्ह फीडबॅक there is a 180 degree phase between the output and input of a terminal. ओके, तुमचे जे काय आउटपुट असेल आणि इनपुट असेल त्यामध्ये 180 डिग्रीचा फेज असेल कुठं, निगेटिव्ह फीडबॅकमध्ये. ओके, then tell me what are types of feedback present in the closed loop. Okay, right, there are two types of feedback present in the closed loop: positive feedback and negative feedback. Applications of operational amplifier. Op-amp used as an amplifier. Op-amp used as active filters, arithmetic circuits, voltage comparators, waveform generators, precision rectifiers. Okay, then summary. After learning this topic, we will able to understand the basic of amplifier, op-amp pin configuration, the applications of operational amplifier, the elements block diagram of operational amplifier. Okay. Then question bank. These questions may ask in exam: what is amplifier? What is operational amplifier? Explain the working of operational amplifier with the block diagram. What are the applications of op-amp? State the pin configuration of op-amp. Thank you.